Have you ever wanted to buy something, and then you saw the price and thought, no way, that's insane? In English, there's a phrase for that situation, and in just a couple of minutes, you'll learn it and never forget it. The phrase is, cost an arm and a leg. Don't worry, it doesn't mean you have to give your body parts to pay for something. It simply means very, very expensive. Let's see how it works in real life. Imagine you just moved to Canada and need a new apartment. You check the rent prices and realize, wow, living here costs an arm and a leg. Another situation. Your friend buys the newest iPhone and complains about money. You laugh and say, well, yeah, it cost an arm and a leg. And here's a fun one. You go on vacation, and after one fancy dinner, the bill arrives. For one pizza and 2 drinks, you paid $100. That's when you say, this dinner cost an arm and a leg. Here's a simple way to remember it. Just imagine handing over your arm and your leg at the cash register because the price is so crazy. It's a funny image, and that's why the phrase sticks. Now it's your turn. What's something in your life that costs an arm and a leg? Rent? Gas? Maybe your last trip to the dentist? Write your example in the comments. This way the phrase will stay in your memory. And if this quick lesson helped you, give it a like and subscribe. Because tomorrow I'll teach you another phrase you'll actually use in everyday life.